To fix the Dragon Ball Sparking Zero error code E795EC5, start by opening the Run command and typing %appdata% to access the application data folder. From there, navigate to the Local folder and find the Sparking Zero app folder. Then locate the Saved and Config folders within it. The exact path should be Local Sparking Zero Saved Config Windows. Alternatively, you can search for the Sparking Zero app and find the relevant folders. Once you're in the correct folder, look for files named Engine or Config and delete them. Then restart the game to see if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, open the command prompt by typing cmd in the search box and type ipconfig flush DNS to flush the DNS resolver cache. This should resolve the issue, but if it doesn't, proceed to change your DNS to Google's DNS servers. To do this, open the control panel and navigate to the Network and Internet section. Then click on Network and Sharing Center and select Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on your internet connection and select Properties. Then find the Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4 option and double-click it. In the resulting window, select the option to use a specific DNS server address and set the preferred DNS server to 8.8.8.8. and the alternate DNS server to 8.8.4.4. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try reinstalling the game. To do this, find the game in your Steam library, click on the gear icon, and select Manage and then Uninstall. Once the game is uninstalled, reinstall it and try running it again. These steps should help resolve the Dragon Ball Sparking Zero error code E795EC5 and get the game working properly.